Hello and welcome to Thumble, the must-have tool for every video marketer. Thumble solves the biggest problem you have as a video marketer: how to get clicks to your videos. More clicks means more views and more growth, and Thumble creates scroll-stopping thumbnails that grows your channels faster. Let's take a look and see how it works. To get started, you need to work in a campaign. You can consider campaign as groups of thumbnails where you can have categories according to maybe your channel or any other topic you want. Once you're ready to start, you can either create a new campaign for your thumbnail, or you can choose to go into a ready-made campaign and create a new thumbnail in there. Now, to create a thumbnail, you've got three different options. You can either create a new thumbnail from scratch or use an existing template. We've got like hundreds of them. Or you can change the face in an existing thumbnail, load up your own thumbnail, or you can find a thumbnail on YouTube and you can change the face in the thumbnail. Or third, you can pick up any thumbnail and put it inside of Thumble and change it with AI. Now, we're going to start off with the first option first. Let's create a thumbnail from a ready-made template. Now, every time you load up this page, you get lots of new thumbnails to choose from, and it's all randomized. So if you want to pick a particular thumbnail, you can click a button and pick it, or you can put in a search term and find a thumbnail related to it. Let's say you were creating something related to mobile phones. So if you just write mobile, you will get all the thumbnails that have the character mobile, the word mobile in there, like this one, phone review, or this one, or this one. Or if you want to choose something else like travel, put that in and you will get thumbnails related to that. So you can pick up thumbnail that you want. Let me find something that I like here. Maybe this one. I kind of like this one. All right, we have it here. So we need a caption change now, and I want to change the hiking vlog to travel hiker, and I want to put another subheading above it that says a new climb. Now we can also change the visual the way we want. So I want to change the visual. I want to replace the jacketed guy with a girl, and I want to make the vista of the Himalayas. Right now, I can choose to add my logo if I want to. So if you have a logo that you want to add, you can upload it, and if not, then you can press no. Now you can choose from all the faces that you added to the program earlier, to the campaign, and you can see here, you can see more faces over here if you want to, if you've added more faces. But I can select the one I want, and let's select this one. Now you got multiple options when it comes to AI. So we have multiple AIs here. Let's choose this one. This is GPT, and we've got Dream. We've also got Nano Banana, and we've got Ideogram. So all the different AIs. So when you're ready, click on generate thumbnail, and then you just need to wait a few seconds. And there we have it. This is the updated thumbnail. Let's take a closer look. And now we can do further modifications if we want to. You can just click on the modify button, and then you can choose how you want to modify it. For example, let's try to remove this travel channel logo. So I'm adding a couple of instructions. Remove the travel channel logo, add a box around the text, and just click on modify, and then just wait a few seconds. And there we have it. This is the updated thumbnail. Now let's do a face swap next. So click on face swap, and then you can either put in your YouTube thumbnail URL, or you can upload your own thumbnail. So let me do that. Alright, I picked this thumbnail from a random video on the internet. Now I can just choose the faces that I want to replace with, maybe Kale Thorne, whoever that is. And if you want to change anything about it, like if maybe there are multiple faces on the thumbnail, you can specify exactly which face you want to replace. For example, in this, if I want, I can put in an instruction, change the face in the center, and also make him smile. And then you can again choose the image AI that you want, and you can choose to even change the aspect ratio. Click on generate thumbnail and wait a few seconds. And there we have it. The face has been changed, and then you can modify things again. So let's say on the right side, change the laptop color to pinkish, to pink. On the left side, make him hold an iPhone instead of the laptop. So I just put in some information, click on modify again, and then just wait. And there we have it. The image has changed. Now you can download it and use it in your projects. Let's look at a bigger version. It's a full resolution thumbnail exactly with the face you wanted. Next, Let's do another little campaign. We can go back into campaigns. Let's check our campaign again. And this time let's edit a thumbnail. Now again, you can either pick up any thumbnail from the computer or from YouTube. You can put in a YouTube URL and you can change it and make it yours if you want to. You can just put in a few instructions. So let's do that. So I put in a thumbnail from the internet and then I want to do a few changes. The first thing I did was put in my photograph over here from my computer. I want to replace the face with my photograph, so I can do things like replace the photo, the person with Cyril, and put him in a gray sports jacket. He's pointing to the headline, and change the headline to "This is how you rank on YouTube." Make this look a bit okay. That's about it. I think I will change the background color, change the background to have bluish overtones. So all the changes that you think you want to do, you can just do those. Use the AI you want. I kind of like GPT for this one too because it's cheap and it's effective. Click on generate thumbnail and just wait a few seconds. And there we have it. Again, if you want to modify it further, you can, or you can let it be. You can just download it and use it. So this are the various modes of creating a thumbnail, but Thumble is much more than that. If you go to the dashboard, you can see all of your campaigns over here, all the past campaigns. Now in faces, you can see all the people that you uploaded along with their names, and these are the people you can use in your projects. In credits, you can see the work that you've done and how much it costed you. You can search for a particular campaign if you want to, and when you go to dashboard, you will get a view of all the thumbnails that you prepped up. And again, you can search for the thumbnails and get the exact thumbnails you need. So this is how Thumble works. It's a very easy to use, fun app that lets you create high quality thumbnails in a matter of seconds. And remember, the best thing about Thumble is you can pick up the best thumbnails from the internet through our database, through our collected thumbnail database, and adapt it in seconds to create your own project. Just to give you a look into this, let me go into a campaign. Let's go into create and let's take a look at our ever-growing database. So new thumbnails are coming in at all times. So you can just browse it, and if you like a particular style, you can just click on it and make it yours. So it cuts down your thumbnail design time quite a lot. Plus it gives you a lot of interesting designs to choose from, and you don't have to really invent things from scratch. So that's the beauty of Thumble. And if you get it, we'll see you inside.